This week I had breakfast with a friend of mine, and I was really surprised to hear that one of the things that was going around was the fact that Abraham lost all this weight and probably got operated. So that was one of the things that they thought that maybe I did something with my stomach to make this happen. Not realizing that over the last 4 years I've been losing this weight slowly and one day at a time and doing it naturally by eating less and also by exercising, doing an awful lot of walking, something that I've really gotten accustomed to and really enjoying myself. So, nope, I haven't gotten operated and I have nothing against operated because if you need to get operated, you gotta do whatever it takes. But I made a decision 4.5 years ago that I was gonna do this naturally. And with God's help and His strength, I've been able to do it and I've lost now 160 pounds and shooting for 200 pounds and done this naturally. God bless you all.